Man, you're so awesome. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I have a pretty beautiful phone that I want to restore, refurbish, or the problem is I don't have a full body shell, so I'll just have to make a, well, it's already a two-tone color. I'm going to make it a three-tone color. The Nokia 660F1, I believe. This has a similarity to the 6131, basically this. The difference between them is that on the 6131 it's a mechanical button with spring. This one also has spring, but this other one doesn't have a mechanical latch, it's electric. It has here a magnet, and I don't know how it works. I'm going to disassemble now and try it. But basically, like I saw, I think it pulls it down and pushes it up. You know, gives it a... This one is the purple and gray two-tone color. I have one with the black and gray, but it's not a full body shell. I'm missing the middle part, I'm missing these front buttons and the screen. Now, this body shell on this one is scratched, and I mean, you saw already. And I also have another one that won't work at, even if I hit it with the hammer. And this one has a better screen. So I'm going to disassemble them both and take what's best from both, and also the new parts. So it's gonna be a custom phone, I believe. Either way, it's going to look awesome, and it's pretty heavy and awesome phone. I don't know, it just shouts in my ear. Quality! Let's begin. Yeah. I don't know why, it's beautiful. And I also have this one for parts. And well, first let's disassemble. Yeah, I'm going to disassemble this one first, then see whatever. Now that it's turned off, the button doesn't work anymore, but you can pull it manually. These are really small screws. What kind of screws are you? Nope, too big. That's what she said. Just kidding, I wish she said that. So tiny, these screws. There we go. Ugh, oh my god, what's this? Ew. I know this is the flash, but there's something here. Without that part, this thing it's no longer secure. Oh my god. Oh, okay, don't panic. You know what? Actually, I think I can just take the cable out and that would be it, or I don't know. I never disassembled this model before. Oh, this is simple actually. Well done, Nokia. Truly advanced. Oof. Dirt in this poor thing. Here is another screw. This screw is small but longer. Of course, it's adhesive. And this thing has a adhesive on it. There's this little mechanism. I'm really curious to see how this works. Eesh. This phone has only small screws. I'm guessing this may be the camera cable, I don't know. Okay, this cable is pretty annoying. I'll just take it out like this. Yeah, just as I thought, that's the camera. Metal body shell, no wonder you can't find this. Finally it's out, oh my god. This cable, it's the most annoying one that I ever disassembled. This is soldered to the main board. How does this work? That's what I'm curious about. How does this mechanism work? I mean, yes, this part, which is technically the magnet. So this is how it works. It just pushes it up, like so. I don't know. Either way, here's the main board. In case you're wondering how it looks like. This part, here's the charging port. Come on, bro. Okay. Just get out already, bro. My god, this part is so easy to snap. I mean, look at it. It already wants to snap. Oh. Not good. Not cool, bro. Don't do that. Stop it. Get some help. Oh, this is a thick metal. What's here? This should be the speaker. This part is pretty heavy because it's made of metal. Nice. Now for the top part. This thing just, it's also sticked. Should disassemble like this. There we go. This is the mirror. So there is no need to take this off. No, this is just sticked here. It's not one piece. Okay, thank God for that. Oh, this rotates like this, see? And now that I rotate it in this position, the cable should just come out like this. Oh, and there's another cable, dang it. Right, this one. Another annoying cable, seriously? There we go. Here has this little clamp, there we go. And here, oh, it's just adhesive, eh? Yeah, adhesive, and they either an LED, either a sensor. I don't know what this is. But this is the cable. This may be an LED, I think. I don't know for sure. I'm going to disassemble this part. Which one has the better screen? This one is better apparently. Let me just make a little test out of curiosity to see if this one works fine. Apparently it does. Okay, then I'll get to cleaning and be right back. Well, it's clean. It's the best I can do. So let me start with the simple part. Actually, I'm taking this part off because I like to see it clean. Beautiful. I took a better look at this. You can't actually put it the other way around because it has a foolproof form. Just put this little SIM door in its place. Okay, nailed it. The only problem that I have with this thing is that the adhesive is no longer good. So I have to clean this old one. To put a little here. Here. Oh. Come on, dude, it's too much. And here. Okay. All right. Done with this thing. Now for the magic part of reuniting them. Go on something like this. How was it? Disassemble, not like this? Yes, like this. I knew it. Let me just easy close this. Yeah, boy. Have to be careful when you mount this plastic part on the hinge. fingerprint magnet. Alright. Let's start it up. Two-tone color. From black to what's this color called? Not purple, but yeah. So this is how it looks when it's open with the battery cover. Beautiful. Let me check if the camera's working. What's this? No. Yes, it's working, thank God. All that mess. And the flash is working good. Now, let me test this thing. If you double tap it, it's showing the time. So this is the phone. And it's done. I'm happy I finally did this phone, and I also have the battery cover for it. I mean, it's a beautiful phone. And this electric button. The 6131, it's mechanical, but this one is electrical. I mean, you already saw what's inside. Too bad the top side, it's only one-time use, so you can't actually take anything from it. If you break this display, you have to change it all. So be careful if you have this phone. I'm also sorry I couldn't find a complete body shell. Well, I understand why I couldn't find a complete body shell. After all, it's fully made of metal except for the damn part, and this part comes in one piece. Yeah, and it's not. I thought it had a display problem, but it's normal to show like this. The hour better and the minutes faded away. Now it's too light. I'm in a too lighted environment, and of course it's not showing well. But in a more darker environment, it should be better. It also gives a vibration feedback when you double tap it. This never gets old. Hello. And it's looking beautiful and complete now. Well, I'm happy with it, and I can finally put it in my showcase. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found it useful. Please let me know in the comments. Did you have this phone when it was popular? Do you have it in your collection? What are your thoughts about it? In my personal opinion, I think it's a very elegant phone. Beautiful one. It has the weight qualities that it's a bit heavy, but it's that right type of heavy, you know. It still doesn't get old. Oh my god. So I'm honored having you here. Please hit that like button, subscribe. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves. Bye bye.